dust right off the floor. She steps inside, forgets what lies beyond the door. A silhouette against the flashing crimson light. She tracks the rhythm, ready to ignite. The world outside is moving slow, but in her feet the embers blow. She drops her shoulders, lets it go. Watch it go. Spinning in the neon, cutting through the crowd. The music gets heavy, the heartbeat gets loud. She dances like gravity, lost all its hold, turning the ordinary into pure gold. Oh, see the dancing girl shine, leaving no worries behind. No eyes on her can break her inner space. She loops and turns,